Okay, so we got the gantry out here. It's not secure at all. I'm kind of scared because I think we're missing a lot of the. Not only the idlers are gone, so I might need to get a new set. And then I remember there being some special screws, like it was M5 by 30 screws that thread onto the idlers over here like this. We'll see how it goes. So those are done over there. I got the motors off and the EVA off, so that's pretty good progress. I'm a bit worried because I already mixed up which motor is which, and if the pulleys go up or down on that position, but we'll figure that out. Quick, I think the most underrated feature of OnShape is being allowed, that's not mentioned enough, is allowing you to use it on iPad and like iOS devices, because this is just great compared to having an entire laptop here. So this allows me to see which motor is which with the pulley directions. Okay, so we got the motors plates installed with hardware, but now I ran out of peanuts. So I think I'm gonna go see if I can find where I put all the pulleys and all the idlers and stuff. I think I have them in a box somewhere. And it also occurred to me that I probably should fix on the 4020s over here before I start building and make the frame first, because usually that's how it goes. You build the frame first, not this, because this isn't even attached. I could do blind joints right there, but I already had the screw holes for this, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. Blind joints would be better though. No, it's not possible to mount the bottom ones if I do a blind joint there. I'm gonna try to find those, and I actually deviated a bit from this. So these ones use the tensioner mechanism on the back of it for tension, but that's gonna be really finicky, I think. I've never had good experience with plastic tensioners, so I'm just using the non-tensioner version of those. And I think those should be fine. So this is why I did not want to go through this. This is just a mess. I have tons of these small boxes because I just keep buying them when I need screws. Just stacked like that. This is gonna be half an hour. Okay, so we got all the boxes out now, and this is the main bin with all the screws in. I think I'm gonna order more screws tomorrow. I need some. I think these are M4 by 8 screws. M4 by 8 screws. M4 by 10 or something. Yeah, we're gonna get the screws and then standoffs and then a melter saw tomorrow. I think my foresight actually might not be bad. I found a lot of these 4 by 12 by 10 by 8s. I think we should be good, but now I need to search for T-nuts. I found 4 T-nuts through these. And there's a waffle. I think I'm gonna order more T-nuts, but I think I found the screws. So that's good. Okay, this is just how bad my organization is. I need to fix this someday, but I found the T-nuts. I have like boxes of them. I don't know how why these are in here. But the good thing is that we got all the hardware installed. I think I'm gonna leave it today. I might get, if I have time, I'm gonna get these ones, have their heat inserts installed. I have a heat insert machine somewhere that I printed out as well. We got this cleaned up. I used zip ties to secure the gantry from falling off the rails there. We got this on the table. Now I have this pine tree, I think that's what it's called. I have these adapters for inserts, and I'm gonna find the inserts. Should be right here, but these are really nice because you can power them with USB-C power delivery. Everything should be powered with USB power delivery. I have a USB-C port just built into this desk. It has a power brick somewhere down there. Yeah, so we're gonna get this set up. I also cleaned off these parts off the bamboo, and there's a bit of water on them because I used some glue on there. But these are really nice ASA parts. There's some string there. I think that's because the filament's not really dry. I should dry them sometime. I have these really nice, I think these are Polymaker. Yeah, Polymaker sealed containers that have these little. Oh yeah, no, that's really humid. This one's better. And they come with a drying base. I don't know where that is. Oh, there it is. Just a base that blows hot air into these things and dries them. So I have 3 of these boxes. I don't know. The AMS isn't really built for drying stuff. There's some packets of desiccants back there, but all right. I'm gonna get this installed on this. I don't think that's the right mount though. I think it will still work. And then we can find the inserts and get inserting into these. Though I don't know what inserts these use. I might have to look those up. Okay, so I found the inserts and I got this set up. It's not perfect fit. It doesn't center properly. I think there's a specific mount for the pine tree. But besides that, it's probably gonna work. I added a dumbbell there for the weight. These things, I thought they would go in from the top like that, but they actually don't fit like that. They fit better if you flip it over and put it in like that. I don't know, if maybe it's just that I have the wrong inserts, or that's an intentional design error. I would definitely prefer it to be on the top. Yeah, see how it only fits this way, but not the other way? I think it might be a printing error. A quick thing I just realized is that if I have this in there like that, I can't see the screen on the pine tree. That's gonna be an issue. I added this balloon over here since I didn't want to go find rubber bands. It's not bad. It's doing pretty well. About what I said about this being on the wrong side, I think that's intentional because you screw in from the bottom side. So it does make sense. It does make sense. Okay, don't ask me where I got this from. This is a multi-switch coax switcher for satellite TV, but it just so happens to fit this pretty well. Nice. Yeah, that took a bit of time because I am not as skilled as the VzBot designers, and I did not think of making the hole slightly bigger on one side to make it easy for these inserts to go in. I just kind of eyeballed it. think that's pretty good. It doesn't look like there's any that seem to me to be too raised. These two could be pushed in a bit more. That's basically flush, and this feels flush. These two could use some work. Now those are flush. Yeah, we're good. I think that's about it today. Just to recap, we have these two done now. These two obviously don't need any inserts. We got those parts printed, but hardware assembled, and we have the gantry ready. So, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna go and purchase some parts for tomorrow. We need the pulleys, not the pulleys, the idlers. We need, I think it's 4 in total, 2 on each front side. These ones already have the idlers on them. These are really nice idlers with the mellow bearings on them. Yeah, that's it. So we just need, I think it's 2 smooth idlers, and then we need the aluminum stand-offs for the printhead. And I haven't actually bought the laser diode yet. So yeah, I'm gonna get the printhead done first. So I think electronics, I have all that's required. I have a BIQU Ender 3 Pro that's still on the back panel of the VzBot that I haven't taken off yet. And I have a fly something. Yeah, in this drawer. That's a mellow board. It's a mellow Ender 3 board. I think this runs, forget the name of it, Duet. This runs Duet. It's web control interface. And these are TMST 2209s. Which are fine for this. This doesn't need that high of power. This used to be a 48 volts printer, but for a laser cutter, 2209s are probably powerful enough. I'm wondering if we probably have to do them on spread cycle, because I'm not sure. Or we could have a really quiet one. Yeah, I think Stealth Chop would work, because laser cutters, we don't need that much acceleration on them. Yeah, I'm gonna run them on Stealth Chop. We have enough wiring and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go place that order right now, and we'll continue tomorrow. Let me just get this cleaned up. Okay, so I think I'm probably gonna go with this Milter saw. It's pretty cheap. The reviews are good. Metabo is rebranded Hitachi. And then this is a Milter saw, so then I'm gonna go with an aluminum cutting blade. Realistically, I'm only going to be using this for 4 cuts. And I have a few other projects I want to get with 2020 extrusion, like this one here. This one I hand cut. It's a 2020 extrusion made phone stand. Now this is actually fairly square the way I cut it. Some of these cuts are pretty good, but see that one there, that is not square at all. And for this one, it needs to be decently square, so I think this is gonna be it. This is in total $140. And then I'm probably also gonna get like a face shield or something, because these teeth can fall out and strike me. Okay, we just got the order placed. It looks like it's gonna come Wednesday for everything. So that's pretty much it for today.